In this video, I'll walk you through how to verify your YouTube channel in order to activate and access the most important YouTube growth features. This is one of the first most important steps you need to take in order to create your very own successful YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like any of the content that is being shared, please take some time to like the video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Before I continue, I would just like to give a shout out and say thank you for the support and comments on my videos. The comments chosen for this week's shout out is from Merry Digital, Let Us Try That and Uplift Thoughts. Thank you so much for the support and comments, really appreciate it. If you'd also like to have a shout out on my videos, leave your thoughts and comments down below. So with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. So why should you verify your YouTube channel? There are key features that you need to enable on your YouTube channel in order to grow successfully. These include custom thumbnails, longer videos more than 15 minutes, live streaming, and external links to other sites. In order to see if your channel is verified, you'd need to go to your status and features area as shown on screen now. If you're seeing this and it says verify with a tick in front, it means that you need to verify your account. In order to get to this section, you can do this by going to your channel, selecting your icon at the top right corner, going to settings, and then selecting channel status and features over here. If you are struggling to find this area, you can also go to your browser and type in youtube.com/features. This will take you directly to this page. You can then get to the verification process in one of three ways. One is by clicking on this verify icon over here. The other is going to your YouTube studio, then going to settings down at the bottom here, selecting channel, selecting feature eligibility. It says here features that require phone verification. If you select this down arrow, you'll see that you need to verify via phone number. You can then click on this and it'll take you to the verification process. If you do struggle to find the page for the verification process, just type into your browser youtube.com/verify and it'll initiate the verification process for you. Moving into the verification process, you select the country that you're in. You then select one of two options. You can either have YouTube call you with an automated voice message, or they can send you a text with a verification code. I'm just going to select text me with a verification code. It'll ask you for your phone number. You place your phone number in here and then click submit. The next step will show you that a text message has been sent through with a verification code. You then place that verification code in here and click submit. Once doing that, you'll see congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. As you can see, it is that easy and simple to verify your YouTube channel. So congratulations on verifying your channel. If you want to learn other tips, tricks and strategies, check out this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button as it'll really help out this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future releases from me. Thank you for watching everybody. Have a great day. We'll chat soon. Cheers.